Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand your display adapter. Right-click your display adapter and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. You can also click on Search for Windows Update. If that didn't work, if you have Intel GPU, Google Intel Driver Support Assistant. Open the first link. Click on Download now. Open the downloaded file. Agree with the terms and press Install. Press Restart. Now go back to Intel Driver Support Assistant. In Graphic you will be able to update your driver.